Created history yesterday when they flew a small helicopter on Mars, an epic achievement over 170 million miles from Earth. For one of the lead NASA engineers in California, Louay Al-Basyouni, this incredible journey mirrored his own adventure after growing up in Gaza in the Middle East and moving to America as a 20-year-old to study. I was able to speak to him a few days ago as he and the team made their final preparations. Louay Al-Basyouni grew up in Gaza, close to the Israeli border, a place seething with tension, with poverty and at times with war. But at 20, Louay won a scholarship that would translate him from here via an American university to this.
And liftoff.
His key responsibility was for the helicopter aboard that has made such history on Mars.
To me, as a kid, I was like almost dreaming to become like in aerospace engineering, but I decided that it's not a thing for me because I figured like Palestine does not have a space program. So it wasn't really an easy journey. I mean, to just be able to leave Gaza, then to come to college and after that to be able to like help, be able to maintain paying my tuition and my finances through college. I mean, it was pretty rough times.
But a journey from Gaza to the United States in and of itself is a very difficult thing to achieve. How did you make the transition?
I mean, it's like I like Mission Impossible, so.
Let's be candid. I mean, you obviously have pretty amazing brains, and that got you and be able to control it. I don't know how you've done it. How have you done it?
So I mean, it's a team effort. I mean, the idea originally we had a very low weight estimate, so then based on the development, different part of the team developed like the props. They had to be much larger than the size of the aircraft. And then from that, we came up to calculate that the prop need to spin so much faster. The weight of the aircraft need to be so low to be able to create lift.
I mean, do you go to Gaza now? Will you? You have said that it's harder to go to Gaza than to go to Mars. Will you go back?
The last time I've been there, it's been year 2000, and that was before the second Intifada. And I mean, it's really hard to get into Gaza. Without putting my career at risk. I mean, if I go in there, I might get stuck.
The difference between the Gaza experience and the Mars experience is so stark.
With the Mars situation, it's the science that determines things, And with science, we can calculate everything and we can predict everything as much as we can, and we just like stick to our hope and beliefs and our mathematical proof. But when it comes to situations involve politics, it's depends on people's opinion, and that's unpredictable.